This is Ray Dwan with Pocketnow.com with a first look at SPB's Mobile Shell version 2.0. Today I'm going to go through some of the enhancements that SPB has made to this popular Windows mobile application. The first is adding gestures. Similar to HTC's TouchCube, if you take your finger and slide it across the screen, you will get these animated transitions to one of 3 pages that SPB has provided. The first is the Now screen. Current users will recognize this Now screen, but will notice some changes to the view. The first is at the bottom. In previous versions, there were 2 soft keys, a close and an SPB menu. That has been replaced by 4 finger-friendly icons. The first is the Now screen. The second is the SPB menu. Third is the Photo Contact Viewer. And lastly, a close button to bring you back to your Today screen. You can also navigate through each of these views by using your hardware soft keys, giving you the same animated transitions. You can also use your D-pad to do the same navigation just by bringing it over them, or you can actually navigate to anything that's on that screen that you're currently on. The next view is the SPB menu. Again, current users will notice some changes to this view. The first is at the top. You will see 10 icons across the top. These icons represent the most used applications or your favorite applications that you may have pinned or locked to this view. This gives you quick and easy access to your most utilized applications. Right below it, you'll see 6 icons that are clearly labeled and are nicely sized for finger use. Again, current users will notice that the Start menu has been removed from the center of the screen and has been replaced by the Internet button. If I click on the Programs button, we'll get this nice animated transition into this view, and you can use the same gestures to get through the screen. You can also use the arrow keys at the bottom, your soft keys, or you can use the D-pad to navigate. To get back to the main view, just keep tapping on the left until you get back. The next view is the Photo Contacts view. SPB has provided 15 locations for your favorite contacts. You can just click on it and your list of your contacts will show up, and you can just pick and choose which ones you want to add. Once added, it will show either a photo or the name of your contact. And when you click on that contact, their information will show up, such as their phone numbers, whether or not you want to text them, or bring yourself to the Pocket Outlook to get even more information. And lastly, we just have the Close button, which brings us back to the Today screen with the familiar SPB Today plugin. It still has the same 4 icons, so if I click on them, each of them has submenus that will drop down, and you can access different information here. You can set these icons to show up all the time or just auto-hide just by pressing it again. I will be doing a full review on SPB's Mobile Shell shortly, so be on the lookout. And this has been a first look at SPB's Mobile Shell version 2.0.